Good day again, and thank you for watching my video. This is Jose Hooker, your friendly realtor and investor here in Central Florida. And today I have these perfect two properties located side by side to showcase to you guys. Well, without further ado, these properties are located in Dundee. Dundee is located about 25 minutes from Legoland, about 45 minutes from Orlando, and about an hour away from Tampa. So well located. Also, these two properties, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths with 1,800 square feet altogether. Perfect for those families who are looking to relocate to the area. Each property has been priced accordingly. I believe they're well priced at $345,000. So these two properties are perfect for family members who want to live next to each other, like mother and son, or father, mother and son, or 2 brothers, 2 sisters. You get the idea. So that you can be on one property and within 1 minute away, you can just walk over to the other property. Without further ado, let me show you inside. Come on. So let me showcase some of the cool features about this property. Starting with the door. This is a 3 glass panel door, which is not very common for any builder to put it. So we have decided to place it in here. As soon as you enter into the property, you can see there's well lit, plenty of light. You got 2 secondary rooms over here, share and a bathroom that's being shared among them. Nice tiles. You can see those are rectangular shaped tiles all the way to the ceiling, which is a cool feature. Nice counters, nice colors. I love the walls, the colors that we choose for this property. Really like it. So you enter, you have 2 rooms on the side. You got your laundry over here. Pretty cool and conveniently located. This is the laundry room. And this is your 3rd room, all well sized, about 11 by 10. And one cool feature about this property, so we have been putting this in every property that we're building, is there is light inside the closet. We have put a light, which is not very common for the builder. And take a look at these French doors. So we are putting French doors on each of the closets in here, which is pretty cool. Come on, follow me. Then you get the hall, and then once you get into the living room / dining area, you find this massive and beautiful kitchen. Starting with the aisle. This aisle is about 11 by 2.5 feet, pretty good. Upgraded sink, there's no division, upgraded faucet, nice counters, you got plenty of counters. Beautiful closets with closed features. We have put exhaust, stainless steel appliances, 2 French doors, refrigerator for you, and a nice pantry as well. Good size, conveniently located in the corner with plenty of shelving for your convenience. Okay. So over here, I love this kitchen. This kitchen, you can see there's open concept, and you have dining room on one side, you have the living room, family room on the other side. Very good size, well lit, very good layout over here, okay? Come with me to the owner's room. The owner's room is the biggest room of the property. This is about 12 by 14. Pretty good size. You have a king size over here with 2 nightstands on each side, and you will be okay. I love the fact that we have placed 2 windows as well over here in the owner's room with a very nice window base, I call it, which is a cool feature for this property. Okay, now let me take you to the owner's bathroom. Nice counters, beautiful stand-up shower, which has a very good touch for this property. Tiles all around, all the way from the floor to the ceiling, which is a cool feature. And an upgrade is the door as well, so you don't have to worry about spillage. Okay. Walk-in closet, pretty good, very good size. If I don't remember well, this is about 12 by 7, which is pretty good size. Shelving all around as well. Okay, as you can see, very well distributed for your convenience. It's a modern layout, well lit, priced well as well. Another cool feature of this property is the cover lanai. We have built cover lanai for this property, about 8 by 7, nice size. In addition to, we have placed safety lights all around the perimeter of the property. You can see this is very, very convenient. They are out, they just work with a laser. So when somebody walks around, they turn on automatically. Okay. The backyard has a good size. It's about 25 by 45. Pretty good size. Thank you very much for sticking with me throughout this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other property that I feature in my channel, please reach out to me. Here is all my contact information. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.